There's the service station right next door to Steve. There's the hotel. The Stag Hotel. Downtown Beaver. Free skiing preparation here.
Come up front? Yeah.
Look at that guy. Now doesn't he look like a skier?
Alright.
Awesome.
1, 2, 3. What didn't it take?
You have to wind it.
I have to what?
Wind it.
You forget that your camera does that.
Should I even have it on? I don't
Yep, I got it on.
1, 2, 3.
There we go. Okay. We're out of here. Smile, Donna. Look at how big Tyler is. He's awesome.
There is Jared instructing people. That's right.
Okay, just unstrap and go tell him you want to turn like that. Okay.
Here we are at Brian's ski lodge. And everyone's skiing. I am staying in the lodge and keeping warm. I'm doing some invitations for Jared's farewell. There's Misha. And there he is with Desiree, giving away ski tips. Hello? Jared.
Don't be recording me. Boy, I seen you come by me like a big blur. Jared, Desiree, got a wave. Who's behind you?
Turn the other way.
What's underneath?
Look at Sarah. She's a gorgeous
Oh.
model.
Sarah, say hi, little monkey.
Hey, Jared. Hi.
You can't like get anything because
You don't want to get me.
it's like fuzzy.
Hi.
Yeah, I don't know you.
Jared's gonna get some good.
Okay.
Okay, Jared.
Oh, Red.
Hey, come.
That's bad, man. Yeah. Oh, man.
You're gonna get some air.
Woo. Oh, Red.
Good. Good man.
It's on.
There's Richard Howard, our cowboy. Say hi, Richard. Or howdy, whichever you prefer.
Tip
Howdy,
your hat
partner.
to us.
What a stud.
The only cowboy snowboarder on the slopes.
And he belongs to us.
Yes. He's one of the leads group. Ow! Hit it, Dale!
Go, Dale, go!
Come on!
Oh.
Oh!
got an inch. He got an inch.
I'll go down
She's
to small
beautiful.
jumps first, Jared.
She's 6 foot. Jared, you got some pretty
She's
good
always
air.
borrowing my jeans.
6'3".
You got some good air.
Did I?
Yeah.
This is
You
Roger.
beat Jared just barely.
He's my boss.
Jared.
Darla
Not
Fielding.
is it?
It's Tyler's down here somewhere.
I'm right here.
We got Scott.
Are you sure he's gonna
Jared.
Look at that skiing.
What?
Okay, who's first? Dale, you first or Desiree? Tyler, you're not gonna do it? Yeah. Whoa! That was a good one. You almost biffed it, man. Hey! Get some air now. That was good, Jared. Looked like you're almost going to eat it and you didn't. Yeah, that was a good one. Lousy form, but that was good. Okay, Dale, we want to see a good wipeout. Ah! Desiree can beat that one. Oh, Desiree's chickening out. Okay, Rich, hurry up. Whoa, that was a good one. All right.
Been designated the photographer there, Roger?
Just for a little bit. He almost stops before he hits it.
Tell me when to stand up. Jared, he's a stud because his birthday's in March and his name's Jared. What other reason do you need?
You gonna jump again?
Yeah.
There's the cheerleading group right there. Desiree, you're gonna miss it. Come down here. You can't get any speed from there. You can't get any speed from there. Is Jared coming? He gonna get some long air, huh? He's gonna hit that tree. Oh, that was a...
That's too fast.
No, you were faster the last time. Missed it. Whoa, that was a good one.
Yeah, that's just too much, or I don't know. She's going over the jump.
Go! Woo! Oh, Very good form though. Okay, smile.
Excellent way to fall.
Okay, what kind of fall was that, Jared? Was that a good fall?
I'd say it would rank as a 9.
9? A 9 for the fall.
9 for the fall. Mine, why? Mine was a 4 because it looked so lame.
Yeah, it looks so lame.
I just fell over.
Wasn't graceful.
Was mine graceful?
Yours was pretty graceful.
Oh, that's cool. That's
Okay.
what I was aiming for.
Somebody's gonna run into me.
And here we have Parker. The cute, innocent look. Oh, and here we have Shawnee. Here we have Jared,
And my head.
Desiree, Mike,
Darla, make it go up.
Jenny,
Another tree.
and
Sean?
Shane,
Sean?
and
And Sean?
Damon,
Uh,
and Jared, and Richard,
and get Hiram.
and Desiree's parents. And there'd be Ron.
We do not have
And there's Pauline. And here's a close-up of Jared. Here we have Scott. No, just kidding, that's Jared.
Alright.
Here's Mike in his close-up. He's got the facial hair
Thank you.
and the eyes.
Sporting the scruff.
Sporting scruffy, yeah.
Here be the closeness of Richard. Whoa!
Wait, you want to see what?
Mike. Here be Mitch in his treehouse. There be Leech
Your red light's not on.
and
Yeah,
Bert.
it is.
Here's Scott in his glasses. Closeness.
The button.
Here be Jessica.
No, I didn't.
There's Jenny.
Hey.
And Jay. Steve. Sandy. Sherlina. Fran. That was Mike.
Zoom in on me.
Here is Mara. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Mara.
Happy birthday to Mara.
Here's Mike.
Happy birthday to
Oh,
Mara.
and look at that buzz of Richard's.
Birthday
He
to
took it all off.
No, Mara.
Here's Jane
Get some punch so I don't feel
and
like
Carrie's sister, Melissa.
Mara said if I shave my head, she'll shave hers.
Oh, man.
Oh, really?
Hey, man, our shoes kick. Yeah. They're the real thing.
Hi.
Richard, say hi.
She's all.
You guys like putting your feet in the camera?
Hey, we like our feet, okay? What? Oh! I'm gonna run in this.
Here's the mama. Here is the house. How about that? Papa and his hard concentrating. He looks very, real hard.
Concentrating on what to do next.
Here be Luber Beast. I mean Louie. Her birthday was 2 days ago. Hey, woo! Would you look at that woman? Wow, look at them legs and all. And there be the Parker. That's my boyfriend. Gosh, look at that woman. She gave a beautiful talk in church today. Kind of ditch, but we had to catch him back. Here's a close-up. There be Steve. There be Fran. And there be the mom of them all. Wow. She's the one that even had that kid. How about that? Is the papa. Another monkey. Just about as bad as Sarah, but not as. Look at that. He's climbed that whole thing. Is Jenny trying to do the teeter-totter with Kaylee? And my, that just looks like a fun teeter-totter ride. Oh,
Look at that man. There's the backside of him as he takes the drink. So he goes for the swing. Oh, and he walks away. He's coming to beat me up now. And their fearful fight. Watch the Westhoff waste the Rex. He's a true Westhoff, isn't he? Look at those buff arms. He is so buff. He's got the stand. Woo! The closeness. Oh, look, she's got the braces.
Oh, she can really see.
Woo! There's the woman. And there is Melissa and Sarah. There's Alicia and Lauren and Nikki Bill and Brittany. How about that? Darla.
Running like a rabid dog.
We have the spider with Jenny, and there's Kaylee. As they probably will break our swing. No, they're not that heavy.
What?
Here is Dale. Woo! And there's his dance. There be Scott. He is trying to balance. He's trying real hard.
Dope. Not good at work.
There's Jessica. She's sick and she didn't sing today, but that's alright. We still love her. And there's the closeness of her.
No.
Oh. There's Jared conversing with the women. There's Mike. Oh, and there's Desiree. There's Damon, Lauren, Alicia.
Hey, going out of my square here. Oh yeah, I'm just playing.
That's just
Johnny.
that is Michael and Tyler and Dale. Villagers. Edward's farewell. There's J-Rex, Donna,
Hey, Katie, come get one of Kara. I didn't get one of her yet.
and James. And Sarah and Lindsay on the swing. Yeah. And Jane.
You gotta turn it on.
And
You gotta push the red button.
I did. And Crystal. And Jared. And Emma. And somebody's kicking my leg. And Jennifer. Where's Jennifer?
You know, when you watch that, you're gonna be sick.
I know. Jane. And Emma.
Yeah.
I'm a bullet biker. Vroom, vroom.
Oh, look at there. Look at that form.
Jenny.
How much do you weigh? Okay, come to your car.
How dare what?
Sarah, aren't you being mean to your cousins?